Clarice Pomp collects a mosquito net from a distribution site in the capital Bangui. Home is just a short walk away, but for over a month she, along with thousands of others, has been forced to sleep in school classrooms. Ongoing violence has killed thousands since C.A.R, a coalition of mostly Muslim rebels, seized power a year ago. Fighting intensified in December when Christian militias stepped up reprisal attacks against Muslims.
One morning we were at home and we had gunfire and bullets coming from everywhere. And some were coming into our compound. We couldn't stay here anymore, so we ran to the SOS village to hide.
The United Nations Refugee Agency says at least 700,000 people have fled their homes. Before the crisis began, only around a third of children slept under mosquito nets. Malaria, a mosquito-borne parasitic disease, kills hundreds of thousands of people a year and is one of the biggest causes of child mortality in the Central African Republic.
Where we sleep, there is no mosquito net, there is sometimes no light either, and mosquitoes are just biting the children.
The Ministry of Health, UNICEF and the Red Cross are distributing mosquito nets to displacement sites around Bangui. With the rainy season about to begin, the threat of malaria is high due to the collection of stagnant water, a breeding ground for mosquitoes. But the violence here often makes it difficult to distribute the nets.
We started the distribution in 49 different displacement camps identified in the town of Bangui. Within these 49 camps, we registered about 400,000 people. Our main objective is to reach 80% of the families in these camps.
6 months of heavy rains typically begin in early April. Sleeping under a mosquito net can reduce the chance of dying from malaria by up to 20%, a potential lifeline in a country where treatment is difficult to access. Clementine Logan, CCTV.